Hey everyone, this is Richard from Nippon Power, and here's an update of my STI. So we installed the Garrett 3582R. We will have to do a little bit more fabrication to retrofit the new turbo. The other turbo was for the master power and things don't line up. So we're gonna make a new exhaust, and then the hot side of the charge pipe to the intercooler. We have a back door. Redid the plumbing for the return. Since this is a water-cooled turbo, we had to plumb our coolant to it. So we got y'all in, and our return tucks behind the intercooler, and it routes back to the heater. So I had initially, when we built the motor, we changed out the STI water pump to all motor Subaru, I believe it's 4-star or Impreza, and so it doesn't have the external additional fittings for water, oil coolers, and expansion tanks. So we basically just reuse the fitting, the hard line that goes to the heater, and then the return to the crossover pipe to route our coolant to the turbo. So with that done, and the fabrication that needs to be done by Everett from MIA, all we need from this point on is to mount the boost solenoid, plumb the dual wastegates. We'll have to do the electronics, and that's pretty much it. We are going to be very close on firing up the car. I am trying to get the car running by July, and hopefully we'll get it tuned also in July to get it ready for August to race. So fingers crossed. Hopefully no delays will come up, but I'll keep you guys up to date. I appreciate you guys following and inquiring about my car. I really appreciate that. You guys have a great day. Take care.